Wow. Bilal, go na the entrance bar, na the side for Gudong. Yes, Usai, yes sir. Usai Bilal team up so. Na the space standing for Gudong na the step. Go down the step bar. Okay, this is the step here, this one. And this is the neighborhood. This you get Mr. James in house where they are. The next the other compound yonder. There's some other house we just near. So I get other house in there. And it just gets another place where they by the fence. Corner the compound this. Then it gets place where they around there. And inside them bush then they most then they back with the so most then they with the inside it. And then look the far from himself. This back now somebody build a big house. Around that side here. This is not the front of the houses, that compound with the next day. And this one. And this is Mr. James in unfinished house. What house then they anyway, where they inside?